Hello. In today's quick tip, I'm going to show you how to create a flashing effect on a graphic, much like this one. Let's jump over to Graphics Designer to get started. First, we'll need a tag that we can drag into the canvas. I'm going to set up the background to flash based on the limits of this tag. So I'll go ahead and start in the Animation tab and select Background. From here, I can add an alarm. Now, this is specifically a dashboard alarm and will not show up in your alarm configuration. I can go down into the alarm section and choose my source type. It can either be a fixed value or I can use the existing SQC values. And then I can choose any limit type. In this case, I'm going to stick with control. From here, I can edit my background colors. So I'm going to start with changing my color to a red if we're in alarm. Next, I need to set the time for flashing. I want it to begin 1 second after the value goes into alarm and last for 1 second. For this, I'll set the start as 1 second and the duration as 2 seconds. If I set the duration for 5 seconds, then the background would be red for 4 seconds and go back to white for 1 second before it restarts. If I had the value as 1 second start and 1 second duration, we would never see the red value. So let's go ahead and test this. So in this case, my value is in alarm, and we can see that by it saying alarm on in the bottom here. Now, if it wasn't on, I could use this override button to actually test it. So here I'm doing override off, and we can simulate what it would look like off. And then I can also simulate the alarm being on. That's an easy way to test things when you're not currently down. Just make sure you click inactive before saving. You can use the same steps we just did to alter the text color instead, or maybe the visibility of an object. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.